Welcome back. So, can we get this old Boxster to the Nürburgring? In the last episode we did a service. In this one we're going to get the suspension refresh done, which hopefully will be plain sailing. But it isn't. Several challenges beset us in this video, not least of which is me losing footage by dropping my phone down the toilet.
Oh my God!
Okay, first I'm going to start it up. Oh God! No buggery. Okay. So, two things it can be, right? One really bad, one not so bad. We're going to hope it's not so bad. We're hoping it's not bore score, it's oil separator. So there you go, so throttle body, plenum off, oil separator out. Alright, we finally got the air oil separator off the car. Probably this is the trickiest clip to get off. I've managed to get a mole grip to hold the clip and I got a spanner to prise it. I've got my throttle body off by way of extra diagnosis, and we can plainly see here this is oil. So the oil air separator has definitely failed. And now on to getting a new air oil separator installed. Okay, that's the new oil separator back in and connected up. Shoe underneath. I'm not sure, the camera could probably see better than my eyes. I don't know if the clip at the bottom of the bellows kind of pinched it not quite right. Hopefully that sorted it. I'm gonna start it now. Although I cleaned out as much oil as I could out of the intake, I do expect there'll still be some to burn off. You guys keep an eye on that for me while I put the wheel on and stuff, and let's see how long it takes to clear. First I'm gonna start it up. Well, I've certainly sorted the smoke out. Engine management light on, and you can tell it's hunting a bit. I think I might need to take the MAF out and clean it. I'm going to do that. So, MAF sensor, pretty easy to get to, and it's just here. I have the MAF sensor out, but that's really clean, to be fair. Right, new Bosch MAF sensor in. Let's see now if this engine light goes off. Not yet. Guess that means I've got a spare MAF sensor and another problem. Right, an update on my AOS woes. I finally have it sorted, and I have put in a genuine one. I don't know whether that's sorted everything, so it's working. There's no engine light and there's no hunting. It all seems good, so whatever vacuum leaks are gone. More than anything, it's this the problem that I can see not being sealed right. In fact, look, I even have damaged it. Now this is caused, it's a pre-tension spring, and so it's sort of holding the spring and it's on, and then when it's in situ, I'll put a Jubilee clip on it and it's really sealed it properly, and it's done it, it's sorted, there's no vacuum leak, it runs smooth. stove. Alright, so it's finally arrived. Here's the new suspension for the Boxster. Let's have a look what we got. Very nice, very light. So I think that's one of our front tuning forks. And once again, I've dragged my Uncle Andy back out of retirement to help me with the job. Right, here we go. We're going to start with this rear control arm. See how we go, and hopefully these aren't seized up.
I'll leave that on there, you can hit that.
Yeah. Right, and now it's just a tricky one, which is this long tuning fork. It's right up here, so we just got to pull off at bottom. Oh, it's connected bottom and top. That's fun, isn't it? Mm. Right, there we are. We've got everything undone now, apart from this one. Yeah. And we did that this tuning fork one, and up at the other end, it's a bolt like this. What do you call it? A sleeve bolt.
Well, that's what I christened it.
Yeah, we've christened it a sleeve bolt. Right, that's it, that's one corner done. Rear control arm, drop link, coffin arm, and the, what would you call that one? The long one. All in, it just all wants torquing up. Doing the rear right now, everything's off, start putting new bits on. So that's all the rear suspension refresh in. It just all wants tightening up, and then onto the front. So that's been about half a day here between me and Andy getting everything off ready for fitting. So and then we just got one more side after this, so putting on's much easier than taking off. We've done the shocker as well with the new bump stock, new shocker top. Okay, so this was all going fairly well until the last one, the front right. We had a challenge on most of the top drop link bolt, which is also the pinch bolt on the shocker. But apart from that, we were doing good, and we got our technique for getting those out. However, we've got here, let me show you, and it's great. You can see we've done most of the work here, including our drop link, but then we were coming to do the shocker top, and let me just show you there. But here, it's ended up almost rounded in there. I literally don't have a way of getting it out unless we were to try and weld something in there and take it out. More stuff was wrong here, which is one of the things we're wanting to do is change these brake discs because they are well ready. But now I think I know why these haven't been changed, is because what we discovered was, look, the bolt for the caliper to the hub has been snapped I think maybe an attempt to drill out. That'll be a hardened steel thing. And then this one's not even in, look. So I've got a second-hand strut. It's off a 2003 Boxster. This really ain't that bad. There's even paint still on it. It's even got the Bilstein sticker still on it. So I'm quite happy with that. And now I'm gonna, and look, crucially, I have my bolts. So that's my brand new second-hand strut in. Can't believe it. Same on this side. Look, that look bloody same. Absolutely gutted. So after going through all of that, getting this sorted on this side, I go back to the other side. Thought, well, I may as well do the brake on that side. Alright, I've calmed down a little bit. I'm going to try and be positive about an outcome here. And what we're going to do is I'm just gonna... Oh, it's gone. It's coming away. I'm going to be able to get that out, aren't I? Oh yes. 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 Alright, so what's the chances? How easy we could have done it another way.
Oh yes, baby, come on.
Finally was able to get both of the front hubs sorted, all the front suspension done, new discs in, brand new brake lines, all ready for our Nürburgring trip. All that's left here in the workshop is to get the brakes bled. And then off to get the alignment done after fitting our new suspension and some proper decent rubber, some Michelin PS4s to complement our fantastic new suspension. Fast forward, here it is, she made it. We are here in Germany and, more importantly, we're about to take her onto the track. Let's see how she does. You ready?
Ready as ever be, yeah.
Right, we're going. Okay, so here we are at the Nürburgring, and you can see we're in good company. This is definitely Porsche country. Let's see if our Boxster can keep up. We met up with our friend and local Felix, who's also a race instructor, for our first outing in the Boxster, and also to get his opinion on what he thought about it.
You think you can do it yourself on that side, if you want?
Dankeschön.
Closing our windows?
Chase the M2.
For sure. Starting the right way with the old lady.
There we go. Slower than the M2 though.
Only a bit.
Let's see how the gearing is here for this first lap. I stayed at third, but maybe for this girl she likes second through here. Tell me.
We'll see.
She revs a lot. It feels like second here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be aware, no ABS, no ESP. Everything manual here on this one.
I should clarify that we are missing ABS because we've got a broken ABS sensor on this.
Happy to take curbs with this nice, soft setup. And not too soft, really good.
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? It's the stock setup.
Yeah. Still a Porsche.
Well, initial impressions are definitely good. Let's see what Felix thinks when he drives it.
It's made for curbs because it's so soft, but it's not that soft. It's really nice to see how well the basic setup actually works on the track.
And then Ben gets behind the wheel for his first time driving at the Nürburgring. That's good revs to change out. They're fine. Lovely Hasselback.
Yeah.
I love it here. Take the curve here, it's nice. It's a good line. Like it. Oh yeah, there's a chance to be passed if you want. It's third gear all the way. Break out here, close to this curve. Lovely. Reach your corner, let's not bin it here. Don't fuck it up. Again, stay third, brake there. Brake before, off, on, and in. Yeah, anyway, overlooking those continuity errors, let's see how well this car deals with some traffic. Really get to see how well it holds its own. Straight for that, lane turn. Now you've got it. Look at that. 240 behind me, can't take one square. He's fast, he's doing fast. Well, I don't know about you, but I would say that was mission successful. The old lady did us proud. Tune in next time to see whether we manage to get it back to the UK.
Keep on rolling, never let them get old. Keep on rolling till the next episode.